TS5020 all-in-one printer, and I'm going to show you how to do the copy, print and scan using this wireless printer. So let's start with the copy. Now load the A4 size sheets at the rear paper tray as you can see here, and also open the paper output tray. Open the top scanner lid and place a page facing downwards on the left hand side corner. Close the lid. Now the next step is to go on the display panel. So open the panel, and first option we see on the screen is copy. So simply click on the copy, OK. Select standard copy, click OK, and we can select the number of pages. Also, for example, I'm going to do black and white, so click black and white, and once we are ready, just click on the start button. Here we can see the copy has been done, so I have done it in the black and white. Now click on the home button and go on the display panel of the screen so that we can find the Wi-Fi Direct and we can activate that. Also we will find the password, and then we will do the wireless printing and scanning. So on the screen you will see there is a setting icon here, so just go and click on that. Now click on the setting, then device setting, go to the LAN setting, then wireless direct, and here we see wireless direct activate or inactivate, so we can click on that and click on. So it will switch on the Wi-Fi Direct. Also, to know the password, just click OK on the yes, and on the next screen we see the name of the printer and below is the password of this printer. Now we go to our device, for example iPhone or Android device. Now go to your iPhone, open the Wi-Fi setting and look for the printer's name here, that is Direct TS5020 series. Enter the password as it is displayed on the printer screen. On the next screen we will see the printer is connected. Now go to the Canon print app and open it. On the next screen in the app you see, do you want to search for available printers? So click yes. Just wait for the printer to add here. So once you see this screen, that means the printer is added. Click on cancel. Now I'll show you how to do the print, wireless print. Look for the print document section in the app, so that is here, and select any document you want to print, for example this one, and click on the next and click on the print button. So it will send a command for the printer and it will start the printing instantly. So this way we can do the wireless printing. Now you can click on the cancel and go back. So go to the scan option and just open the top scanner lid. Place a page facing downwards on the left hand side corner and click on the scan button. So it will scan the document and transfer here. On the next screen we see the scan has been arrived, and if you want you can just click on the exit, or you can click on the scan and add more pages. So overall this is a very good feature of the printer to do the wireless printing and scanning.